Hello, welcome to a quick tutorial from Premier EPOS. Today I'm going to show you how to add a message to an actual product that may poke your actual staff members to actually maybe upsell or add a particular product they need to know about this particular deal or anything like that. So what I mean by this is I'll log myself in and then open my sales mode up. Now I've already done one and I can show you how to actually make one. So if I go to the grooming section, if I click on small dog grooming, a message instantly pops up now, so don't forget to sell the shampoo. So that's instantly telling your staff member that there's something else they have to do or at least be aware of. So I'll click on OK and that gets rid of that. So what I can do, I can show you how to actually do this. So what I'll do is, I'll do the same for the medium dog grooming. So if I nip over to my stock manager, and then what I'll do is I shall go for, just search for dog grooming. I'll go for medium one here. So as you can see, I've already created a column here for it, but you will find it down here as well. You will find something that says show message. There we go, right there. So there's quite a lot down there, isn't it, to be quite frank. So but what I've done is I've added it up here as well, so I can actually physically see it as well. And I might want to do a bulk as well as of this, which is, I can be showing in another video how to do a bulk update if you want to do the same message for the same sort of product. So what I can do now is I'll go for medium dog grooming. So what I'll do is I'll just cheat and I'll do the same thing as this one effectively. So what I'll do is I'll copy that, copy, and then I'll do the same for the medium dog grooming. So I'll pop that in there like so. So straight away, the second I go over to the actual button, obviously this works when you scan as well, it's just not linked to an actual button as well. So click on that one, boom, there you go, don't forget to sell shampoo as well. So there you have it, nice little quick little tutorial there just to how to sort of possibly get some upselling as well done in the early year. So there you go, do hope it's been useful, thank you very much for watching, take care.